What's the meaning of conjoined twin? Conjoined twin. Conjoined twin.
Conjoined twin. Conjoined twin. A conjoined twin is a rare phenomenon that occurs when identical twins fail to fully separate after conception, resulting in the development of two babies who are physically connected at some point on their bodies. The level of connection can vary, with some twins sharing only minimal tissue or organs while others are joined at the chest, abdomen, pelvis, or even the head. Conjoined twins face unique medical challenges, and separation surgery is often difficult or impossible depending on the nature and severity of their connection.